Let's represent this given problem on a TS diagram. I'm just going to label them as 1, this is 2 dash, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, these dotted lines or these dashed lines tell you that the processes are irreversible. Okay, now if the compressor was ideal, I would have got a straight line like this, and this, let us say, is 0.2. Now the isentropic efficiency of the compressor is given, so that is 80%. So 0.8 should be equal to the ideal work, which is H2 minus H1 divided by the actual work, which is H2 dash minus H1. This will translate to H2 minus 185 divided by 229 minus 185. All this information is given above. Okay, so this is 229 minus 185. From this you will get your H2 as 220.2 kilojoules per kg. Okay, now you know your H2. Now the only thing that is left is to find out COP. So we know that coefficient of performance is the heat removed to the work which is done. So heat removed is H1 minus H4 divided by the work which is supplied will be H2 minus H1. Okay, so let us just substitute all these values. So this is 185 minus 74.5. Now we know that H3 is the same as H4 because 3,4 is an isenthalpic process, divided by H2 minus H1, which is 220.2 minus 185. Okay, so this will give you a COP of 3.14. This will give you a COP of 3.14.